Hi, this is Kelly, and this is Enjoy Reading as Born, and it's our weekly version of Did You Know? And I'm excited about tonight's talk because it's about bringing books to life. How fun is that, right? So, for some kids, it is really hard to get them interested in books or reading. And we know how important it is for kids to read well, write well, and comprehend. So how can we make it how can we help them so that they can develop these skills, but yet we can add some fun in a meaningful way? And I like this topic because it helps with that. Also, if you have a toddler or preschool, this Bring Books to Life is for you too. It's absolutely something the whole family can get into, or it can be just a mom and me experience, or dad and me, or grandma or grandpa, whoever you want to do. So, bringing books to life helps with reading comprehension. It helps with listening skills, taking turns, creative thinking, even problem solving. You can even add a book that you can do empathy with. I mean, there's so many skills that you can incorporate into bringing books to life. Kids learn best through play. So they can bring the book to life by, when you read a story, you can make puppets and put on a play and reenact the story. You can use costumes and act out the story. If your book talks about food, you can make something, bake something in the kitchen together, which is awesome because it's helping them with their math skills and their reading and all of that. Plus, it's fun to eat snacks, right? So you can build story-themed crafts as well, such as if you are doing a book like What's It Like in Space, right? You could go and you can look at the stars at night together. Just something simple. You can make it as simple or extravagant as you want. You can build a solar system, and you can do it on, you know how you do the, make it on paper, and then you can hold it up, tie it to a string, and put it on a hanger and hang it, so then you can have the solar system for, a little kid, or you can use Play-Doh to make the different planets, or anything that you want to do. They can draw a cartoon strip if they're older and they like to do that. Design a book jacket. If you have a book on machines, you could dig in the dirt and the sand together, or if there's a Touch a Truck Day, you could go visit Touch a Truck Day. I know we have them around here in the summer. If you have a dinosaur book and that you have a child that is absolutely into dinosaurs, there's some great activities that you can do that's on Pinterest, such as making your own fossils. How cool would that be? You could go to COSI and see the dinosaurs. I know they have a dinosaur exhibit. There's so much that you could do. You just have to think outside the box a little bit and bring that story to life.